So last year I put out this request for people to send in a little testimony or encouragement of what God has done for them. And I didn't get around to doing it because I was going through my go through. We'll talk about that in another video. Anyways, I think it's about time I release the people them. So I'm going to start with this one. And feel free to send in your own. I'm still taking them. God has been nothing short of amazing. I got saved a year ago, and as imperfect as I was with my praises, God was never imperfect in blessing and guiding and guarding me. Last February, I found out I had a fibroid, and it was so big that surgery was my only option. I went on 21 days of prayer and fasting, and since then, surgery is not my only option because it started to shrink. It went from a 7.8 centimeter to a 4.1 centimeter and still shrinking. If that ain't the work of God, then I don't know what is. Just want to say thank you, Lord, for your grace and mercy that continues to keep me. Big up God every day. And let us continue to encourage our sister in the Lord. And for anyone out there who might be facing their own health issues, I pray your strength on this journey. See you next time.